Supernaturals?
Tuberman, is that your voice?
Oh, affirmative. Supernaturals, please. I'm in need of your assistance.
Sure thing, Tuberman. What's up?
I wish to recreate your taste prism.
Did you say taste prisms?
Yes, your taste prism. There's no time to waste.
I'm thinking maybe he means that zucchini slice you made last week.
Oh, that was good.
It was astronomical. Remember how Tuberman tried it and started hovering for like 10 minutes?
You know it's good when he starts his blissed out hovering thing. Sure thing too, man. We can totally recreate the taste prisms again. Why don't you walk over here and we'll show you how?
That won't be necessary.
Are you sure? Or maybe we can walk to you.
No, stay there. Please, Supernaturals. It's safer this way. I just need you to describe the methodology in detail.
Ooh, can I learn too, please?
Sure thing. Okay guys, first let's get prepped. Tuberman, do you know which ingredients you need?
Affirmative.
Could you beam us some down as well? Oh, thanks, Tuberman. Have you washed your hands?
I don't have hands. I have highly evolved grasp nodes.
Cool. Wash your nodes. Okay, turn your oven to 180 degrees.
Wait, wasn't Tuberman born on an American space shuttle?
He's only mentioned it a squillion times.
Then he probably uses Fahrenheit.
Oh, you're right. Okay, Tuberman, make that 356 degrees Fahrenheit.
Recalibration complete.
Awesome, let's get started. I want you both to grab a zucchini and grate it through the largest hole of the box grater. Watch those nodes while you're grating, Tuberman. This is no time to be a spud.
Roger this.
Now, grab a small onion and dice it. Once you're done with that, grab a clean tea towel and sprinkle a pinch of sea salt on top of it. Now grab your zucchini and onion mix and massage it through the tea towel. The salt's going to pull out any excess moisture. We don't want a soggy slice. Now grab the corners of a tea towel and then twist and squeeze so all the excess moisture is pushed out. Add the zucchini and onion into a clean mixing bowl, and then using the grater again, no need to wash it. Grate 120 grams of cheddar cheese and 50 grams of Parmesan cheese into the bowl with the zooks. How are you going in there, Tuberman?
I am accurately following instructions and anticipate the prisms to be at peak taste capacity in T-minus 60 Earth minutes.
Now it's time to do the bacon stack with your streaky bacon. I want you to lay each stack on top of each other, nice and even. And then we want you to julienne that whole stack so it looks like a pile of tiny bacon matchsticks. Remember, the trick with the julienne is to make sure all the bacon stacks are even. Now that's done, get a clean mixing bowl and crack 6 eggs into it. Now add your milk and flour and whisk it all up. Then pour the egg mix over the zucchini mix and give it all a good stir. Pour your mix into a lined baking tray. Then dot the top with cherry tomato halves. And sprinkle some cheese on top because you can never have enough cheese. You still good over there, Tuberman?
I am enjoying myself thoroughly.
Cool, nearly done. All we have to do is whack it into our preheated oven for 45 minutes until it's cooked through and fluffy. Then let it cool before digging in. How are yours looking, Tuberman?
They smell strange, Maddy.
I'm sure they're fine. Can we have a taste?
I'd like that very much.
Tuberman? Who's that?